Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on the Google Play Store for Motorola ThinkPhone. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Inside, try to find Call of Duty. As you can see, there's no actual results here which we can download, and to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, head on to the settings, reveal family, enter parental controls. Then you can either disable parental controls entirely with this switch or go for apps and games, enter the PIN code, confirm with OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if you go back, look for the game again. It should be on the top right here, available to install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.